Hi guys, we're about to take the windscreen out now because it's letting water in. It's not watertight, and I'll show you. In the corner you can see where the water's getting in, so it's rusted through, well, rusted there. I don't think it's rusted through, but it's rusty. Same that side, and the whole of the dash had to come off because that was starting to rust at the edges. So we're literally going to take that out now and fix, probably do some welding and cut out the rust and do some more welding.
As long as it's over that lip. So as long as we do the top bit.
So you're literally, I don't know if you can see, but it's not like he's cutting it pretty or anything. You have to cut it in the middle of the seal. I hope this is getting it because it's so sunny I can't really see what I'm doing. See that? And then kind of coming off. Yeah, could you do that again, Robert? Just to show that it is. Yeah. There you go. Oh, that wasn't this. Right, where's the damage? Oh, bloody hell. Crikey. Oh no, look at all the water that's sort of come out with it. Oh, have we? Sorry. Jesus. Right. That's what we'll be fixing then. So this is the front left corner of the windscreen, isn't it? Triggering that.
Basically that's all got.
Yeah. We're going to have to put in a new bit there and a... Sorry.
I'd like to see how much one of these is.
Rather than cut it out. Really?
Well, because I'm missing that bit.
Yeah.
I'm missing the whole seam.
Yeah.
Now you could. I'll see how much it is. If it's not a lot, because it's quite a small panel, but obviously, you know, it's fitting it. But
And that side.
And that side.
Thank you. Hey everyone, Rob has nearly finished doing the window now, which we had to take out because of the rust rot. Both of these corners were rotted through, and he's taken them out and replaced them. And they're sort of double lipped. Oops, don't know if you can see that. And he's done the same with this one. And he's just finished. Had to cut a load of rot out of there. He'll just go over that and fill it. Excuse me. And this is a finished one. He did in this corner. I've just got to climb on top of that. So that's finished that side. So there was that was cut out. Can't really see it now, but and he redid that. So yeah, the window part is all done. It just needs that bit to be filled and painted, and it's finished. So that has taken quite some time, which is why there's not been a video out of late. But yeah, that's done now. And then hopefully start on that bit and get the roof back down again. Yep. Okay guys, bye.